Hey Tom, how are you doing today?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. However, I have some questions about grammar because I watched a movie called Mr. Nobody a few days ago, and then it talks about the main character mentioned he's unable to swim. But however,
You're gonna swim? Come on, the water's nice.
No, I don't know how to swim.
Sorry?
I don't know how to swim. That's it.
the main character mentioned he's unable to swim. But however, the exact sense that he said is, I don't know how to swim. And but then again, the English that I learned is I can't swim. So I'm kind of curious. Are there any difference? Are there any differences? Between the two expressions. I don't know how to do something, and I can't do something, or maybe it's the same. Yeah, because I heard them both, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, there's a small difference, but I mean, overall, there's not a real difference between the two expressions. Like if you were to say, I don't know how to do something and I can't do something, usually in most cases, it will mean the same. If you say, I don't know, since you're using the word know, it has to do with knowledge. So if you say, I don't know how to, it means you don't have knowledge of to do something or the knowledge that pertains to that skill. If you say I can't, it means that you are unable to. It could be due to a lack of knowledge, but it could also mean that you have a physical inability to do that. So if you say I can't walk, it doesn't mean the person doesn't know how to walk. It means they physically cannot walk.
Oh, someone without legs probably would say I can't walk.
Right, or a person who's confined to a wheelchair, like a paraplegic person that has no ability to use their legs for, they're handicapped, something like that.
Okay, so the same rules can be applied to question number 2 and question number 3.
Right. So in all these cases, I don't know how to swim versus I can't swim. If the person says I can't swim, it could be because it's a physical inability, but it also could be because they don't know how. That's like they haven't learned how to do it.
Oh.
Speaking English is got to do with having knowledge of it. So in this case, they both mean the same. Ability to play the piano. Maybe the person can't play the piano because their fingers or their hands are handicapped in some way.
Oh.
So that could be the difference.
Okay. Hey, do you remember the word can often used in a wrong way by even native speakers? Can you talk about it with us?
Yeah, so the word can is often used by native speakers. For example, a person will usually ask something like, "Can I go to the bathroom?" But that's not the correct question. The correct question that should be asked is, "May I go to the bathroom?" Because it's asking for permission.
Oh.
If you say, can I go to the bathroom? It's talking about ability. It's saying, are you physically able to go to the bathroom? So sometimes when you have a student in school and asks the teacher, can I go to the bathroom? The teacher would often, in a joking manner, respond, I don't know, can you?
Oh. So he said, joking way, I don't know, can you? To mock at that student as if he or she were a handicap.
Yeah, something like that. Basically but also pointing out that they need to say may I, not can I.
Oh, okay. All right. Good to know this, right? Because it's important to know the ways, even though it's wrong, of native speakers speak.
Right.
Okay, so thank you so much, Tom, for today, and I'll see you next time.
All right. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.